I'm currently in the process of finding affiliate partners for my next event, and I thought this would be the perfect time to show you how to use social media for affiliate marketing.
I know exactly how to help you.
Affiliate marketing is a great way to tap into new audience, and it's a great way to drive sales to your business. But the biggest question people ask is, how do I find my affiliate partners?
Stay here, I'll be back to you in a minute.
But my friend, that is the easiest part. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how we find affiliate partners.
Make you filthy rich.
Money! I'm Amy Walker, small business strategist, and I have helped hundreds of entrepreneurs be able to grow their business to 6 and even 7 figures. So I'm going to make you a deal.
All right, you got a deal.
In today's video, I am going to show you how I use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find my affiliate partners, where and how I reach out, and I'm even going to show you what my reach out script looks like. This is a strategy that we have used to generate over $2 million in sales in our business, and it has been, honestly, our most predictable, efficient, simple, low-cost strategy that produces the highest returns.
Because the juice only costs $1 to make and $50 to sell.
That's my point.
When I first launched Amy Walker Consulting, I had a newborn baby and I had 4 other little boys all at home. I was a speaker who couldn't travel to go and speak, and I had no idea where I was going to find my clients from. But I remember getting creative, and I had a conversation with myself one night where I was like, Amy, don't tell me what you can't do, tell me what you can.
You're just talking about me doing it.
Yes!
Because I was looking at all these things. I don't have a budget for Facebook ads. I can't travel to go do speaking events. I can't go sponsor booths. I can't be gone that long. And I had all this chatter around what I couldn't do. And I thought, you know what I can do? I can do affiliate marketing and I can do online events. So I smushed those two together, and here we are 8 years later, having produced millions of dollars in sales. Money! And being able to do it at a very reasonable budget.
That brings a tear to my eye.
If you're wondering if this will work for you, it absolutely will. My very first affiliate marketing event, we produced over 500 leads, and that really was the start of launching our sales and our brand. It's a fast way to be able to get yourself out there and get yourself connecting with your ideal clients.
How do I find these special situation dog owners?
So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically tapping into other people using their lists that they've already established, and that's how you make your sales. There's 2 different types of affiliate marketing. One is where it is for the commissions and the sales. So you're reaching out to other people, getting them to sell your product, and then they get a commission every time they sell your product. The other is you're doing affiliate marketing more as a joint venture where you're trying to bring partners in, and then together you're both trying to acquire more leads, and there may or may not be a commission split. It just depends on the scenario. I've done it both ways.
This was validated.
My favorite tool for prospecting is LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and I'm going to show you, as I actually just cross something off my checklist, how I find the people that I want to reach out to.
But you are here and you have an offer.
All right, here we are in LinkedIn. I know that you can do the searches through their basic search function, and you could search for something like professional speaker, and you're going to come up with a bunch of people. In fact, let's see how many they came up with here. 213,000. Now I can go down and I can narrow this down to like my first degree connections and my second degree, and that's going to cut the list down some. Now I'm at 45,000. I can also say I want people that are in the US, and it's going to show me 25,000. And then I could just simply go down through here and look for people. But I like Sales Navigator. It has more controls. So in here, I am looking for my next event. So my next event is an event for speakers. So we're showing the business of speaking. So I am going to do a search for the National Speakers Association, and I've got 130,000. I am going to now do a fun little idea that I had, because this conference is teaching professional speakers business skills, and I want people who are connected with a lot of professional speakers. So my idea was that I could use these advanced filters. So now that I've pulled this up, I'm going to go into the advanced settings, and I am going to add location. I'm going to look for people in the United States. Now it's down to 93. I'm going to look for people who are first degree connections or second degree connections. And this is going to bring my list size down to 21,000. I do want people who are a little bit more experienced. So I'm going to put in here that they've been a part of NSA for 3 to 5 years. That's down to 3.5 thousand, which is good, you guys. I don't want a list of 25,000. It's too many to even pay attention to. All right, now I'm going to do my search, and I'm going to see what we come up with. Okay, let's try a new search here. I am going to search for speaker coach. 380,000 results. Now I'm going to go to all filters. So I am going to search for relationships. I'm going to change this to first degree connections and second degree connections. That's going to take that list down to 94,000. I am going to go search for seniority level. I want them to be owners of the company, so that takes me down to 35,000. I want them to be pretty experienced in business, not newbies, so I'm going to go 6 to 10 years. That takes me down to 9,000. And I think that's probably everything that's relevant. So let's go ahead and pull the search. Now I'm going to look through and I'm going to see, oh, you know what I didn't do? I want to add geography as well. I'm looking for people in the US. It's easier to arrange timelines, and it's easier for us to follow up with the leads. So now I'm down to 5.5 thousand. So I'm just going to start going and looking at each of these people. Okay, I'm going to check out Pamela Bruner here. And Pamela, what attracted me to her is that she actually had a very clear, a lot of people's descriptions have been messy tonight, but business coach, CEO, author who specializes in working with transformational entrepreneurs. So she works with coaches, healers, consultants, and speakers. So now I'm interested in Pamela Bruner. Okay, so now that I know I'm interested, here's a couple things to know. We've got her phone number, we've actually got her email address, we've got her website. So I can click on her website and see if she looks legit. She does look legit. She has a real website that wasn't designed by her neighbor or best friend. And if it was, they were good. She has a picture of her speaking, so I know that she does speak and she doesn't just make that up. So far, she is passing off my initial look of somebody that I would want to reach out to. So now I am going to go and connect with her in the main LinkedIn, and I'm going to see what she's up to and how I can create a little bit of engagement before we reach out. Okay, so here she is in the main LinkedIn, and I'm going to look and see what she is up to. I'm going to look at her activity. So see all activity. Fun fact, LinkedIn counts everything you post on the platform as your activity, so even if it's just a comment on somebody else's stuff. Okay, so here's a video of her. Because entrepreneurs are inherently creative, usually they're not experts in the areas of organization and time management. Join Pamela as she shares 5 easy to implement strategies that will transform your workday. So I'm going to listen to it.
Incorporate time and task management, organizing your day without losing your creativity. I believe there is, and there are strategies to do just that.
Welcome to A Profitable Impact.
Okay, that was a great episode. So I'm going to, now that I know a little bit about her content, I'm going to leave her a comment that says, thanks so much for your episode. I definitely need this right now. Now, why am I posting on her stuff? Because you want people to be aware of you and feel like you have a little bit of a relationship before you go and reach out for affiliate partners. We're more likely to say yes to somebody that we know. And Pamela and I have been connected for a while, but I don't necessarily know her, and we're not really necessarily on each other's radars. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to find Pamela on other platforms. So let's see. We saw her podcast. By the way, one benefit of having multiple platforms is sometimes I'll invite people on my podcast first, and then I'll invite them to collaborate after we've had an experience together. So like, I don't ask for everything the first time. Sometimes I do. So we're going to check out Pamela here and see her channel. So we see her channel. She has a smaller channel, it looks like.
Hey, Pamela Bruner here from Attract Clients Online.
Okay, so this is a great topic, one that I don't have time to watch all this right now because I'm making a video for you, but this is a great topic. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a comment on this. Thanks for this. It's so important. I love making clients happy, but not at the expense of my sanity. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a comment. So that's my first step, is to find the right people and then create conversations with them across multiple platforms. Then probably tomorrow I'll go back and I'll send a message to her. Once she's seen my name in a few places, and then I send a message. Now it feels like someone is reaching out in more of a warm way, that I am a fan of her work. I do like the things that she's up to. And when I reach out, it's not going to feel like such a cold reach out.
Marketing is not sales.
Marketing is trying to create demand.
Now, I told you at the beginning that I share with you how I actually reach out, and this is what I do. I find them, and then I send them, I connect with them in multiple platforms. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach out to them either by email or by messenger. She has got her email address and her phone number listed, and I could probably find her on Facebook too. I don't like to send messages through LinkedIn's inbox because it's so crowded and they get so many pitches. I try to find them in other places. And when I reach out, I use my 3-part formula for cold reach outs, which I've shared before in other videos. It's really simple. I give a relevant compliment. Second thing I do is I ask them a question for the collaboration. So something like, we're booking speakers for our next upcoming summit, and it's 4 professional speakers. Is that something that you might be a fit for? And then I ask them permission to send more information. If so, do I have permission to send you more information?
Oh, I got it. That sounds very fancy.
I'm going to make you 2 offers you can't refuse. First, go check out my Marketing on a Budget playlist and get tips and strategies you need to increase your ROI and manage your budget.
You have a deal.
Let's do it.
And second, let's check out your sales and marketing and see why it is or is not working. Take my Sales and Marketing GPS. You're going to define where you're at by answering some simple questions, and then based on the information you give us, my team and I will create a customized improvement plan for you and your business, so you're going to know exactly what it will take for you to be successful in your marketing. We've come to the end of our video, and I'm out.
For all of those reasons, I'm out.
But I want you to keep watching, so go check out that next video.